Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be creating our first AWS Lambda function via AWS console. But guys, first do like, share and subscribe the channel to keep me motivated to create the videos. Let's first get into the AWS console. So this is the first screen in AWS console where all the AWS services are provided. And we are doing AWS Lambda. So you can go here into the if you have recently visited AWS Lambda, or you can search here and just go to the AWS Lambda screen, and here you can see the dashboard where Lambda functions are 0 as we don't have any Lambda functions right now. And this is the function screen where you will see all the AWS functions. So let's create our AWS function first. You can create AWS functions via these three strategies: author from scratch, use a blueprint, or browse serverless app. We will be doing this first using blueprint in our first hello world AWS function. You can search the blueprint here, and we are doing hello world. Just select this hello world blueprint, and we are doing this in NodeJS. This is applied to all the different languages. If you want to just configure it, and function name you can give any name whatever you want to, and create a new, these are the execution role. Create a new role with basic Lambda permission, use an existing role, create a new role from AWS policy template. We will use this first option in this video, and here is your AWS Lambda function. This is the console, and these all three are console, and this is the value returned from the handler. So we are just consoling all the values passed in the handler function. Let's create the function. It will take few seconds to create a function. Successfully created. Our first AWS Lambda function is created successfully. This is our configuration screen where you can find the code editor if you want to change any of the function as per your requirement. As you can see, this is the handler and this is the file. So this is our runtime settings. Handler index.handler, index is our file and handler is the function to be executed. This, and this is our environment variables editor. Here you can configure the environment variables you want to pass at the runtime. So here you can see add trigger. So basically you can trigger Lambda via various services like IoT, API gateway, S3, different types of events. But in this video we will not be using any of these trigger points. So our function is created successfully. Now let's test this function. Let's create a first test case 1, and we will be passing hello 1, hello 2 and hello 3. These all the values we are going to pass in the handler. Let's create this and let's test this. As you can see, execution result succeeded. Here are the logs. Our AWS function is executed successfully, and this is the value returned from the execution function, and these are the detailed logs output. Here you can see the request ID. This is our request ID, and these are the three values which we have logged out. And this is the execution time of the AWS function, and this is the build duration. So these are the log output of the function. Now we will watch the logs. Guys, one thing to remember, all the AWS Lambda function logs are maintained in the CloudWatch by AWS. You can visit the CloudWatch and you can see all the logs output here. These are the logs generated by the AWS Lambda functions. Now let's go back to our screen functions, Lambda. Now you can see Lambda function 1, count is 1. So we have right now one AWS Lambda functions. You can see our AWS Lambda function, and if you want to delete this function, just select this, go to action, delete, and it is deleted successfully. So this is all about our first Lambda function via AWS console. That's all guys. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel. That's all.